Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to download and install Night of the Consumers. Every day there's at least one person who, the first time in their lives, downloads a game and unzips it or installs it. And there are people asking questions like how to extract, or questions about payment. Here, something about this, about the price. So let me show you how to get this game, and to do so you have to go to germfood.itch.io/Night of the Consumers. The link is in the top comment of this video. So as you arrive on this page, you can immediately buy it here, buy now, or you can check out some videos in the comments first, or check out the screenshots on the right by clicking them and then clicking out of them. You can check out the team by clicking the Twitter hashtags. There they are. And of course there's a trailer. Once you're ready to download it, press buy now or buy now down here. And if you have some extra cash, you can add a tip. The developer will get that. And what you definitely need is an email address. So put your email address in here. It has to be valid or else you will not get the link to the game. So make sure you have an email address first. If you don't have one yet, I guess go to Gmail and get one there, or go to Yahoo or some other reputable email provider. Once you're ready, you can pay by card if you have a card, or get permission to use somebody's card, or you can pay with PayPal. In either case, you do have to fill out this form. So let's try pay with card first. I just have to enter my card number, month, year of expiration, and CVC. This is processed by Stripe. So let's go back and take a look at PayPal. Try PayPal, and again if we just try to continue, it will tell us what is required. So if I try to continue payment while United States is selected, there we are. I believe you will have to have an account and have to log in. And then you can choose your payment option and confirm/continue. You have to double check your email address yourself. You can just enter incorrect info there. I can just enter text. This is kind of a problem, and it will still accept pay with PayPal and stuff. So if I change this, for example, to Philippines, because I saw somebody asking about the Philippines in the comments, then I'm already logged into PayPal. I can just pay here. Or if I pick Finland, interesting. This actually checks the location. How about France? So inside of Europe, apparently you're getting tracked quite a bit. Well, how about Russia then? Yep, this works. And so on and so on. Once you pay on PayPal or via card, first of all you will get an email with the link, but you will also be directed to this link, at which you can download the game. And here you can see all you have to do is download this. By default it downloads to a folder that you can access by clicking on this arrow and then show in folder. And here's a file. And some of you don't know how to handle .rar files. If you have WinZip or 7-zip, you can just right click and then 7-zip or WinZip, use that menu and then extract, for example like this. And then you can play and alright. The game is starting. Now if your computer warns you about viruses, I recommend you try Virus Total if you have the bandwidth and can upload stuff. Yeah, this is pretty good. Basically there are no viruses in there. Looks like people have been trying this out already. You can also put in the exe file. Same thing here. But I don't think there's actually problems with viruses. I think there's just a warning, hey, you downloaded this from the internet and it's not signed. Do you really want to run this? And then you just say yes. Now if you don't have 7-zip or WinZip installed, just go to the portable apps link that I also put in the comments. Download from portable apps. Just double click this, 7-zip portable, press OK, press next, just say install in this case. You can press show details. Let's finish. So now you have 7-zip portable, and in here you have 7-zip portable again, just double click that. And now find the path where Night of the Consumers is located, just copy that, Control C or right click copy, and then paste it in here. Paste, press enter, and now you have this Night of the Consumers RAR file that you can right click, 7-zip, extract, or if that menu doesn't exist, just double click it here, select all this, create a new folder, I would say, notc-004, and enter, and just drag this stuff in there. There we are, and now you can start the game. And this is how you download and install Night of the Consumers. If you really want, you can also right-click drag a shortcut to a desktop. Give this video a like, subscribe to this channel if this was useful, and I will see you next time. Until then, ciao. Enjoy the game.